So this is going to be an introductory series of videos on algebraic number theory. So, so an algebraic number, let's say an algebraic number theta, or about let's not do theta, let's do alpha, is an element of the complex numbers such that there is some polynomial p, polynomial in the rational numbers. So that means so p is just let's see, some q1 plus q2. Sorry, this should be q2. Sorry, q0 q1 x plus q2 x squared and so on, and so up to some, let's say q and x to the n, where this n is the degree of p, so degree p equals n. So, and while these p1s, p2 up to pn and q1 up to qn are rational numbers. So basically, alpha is a complex number such that, so if alpha is a complex number such that p of alpha is equal to 0, then we say that alpha is algebraic. Okay. So if a number, this is not particularly important, but if a number is not algebraic, we call it transcendental. So every number in C is either algebraic or transcendental. So, okay, so that's algebraic. Now, so one thing we notice is that if there is a polynomial like this, for which this is true, that alpha is its root, so if p of alpha equals 0, then we say alpha is a root of p. If there is a polynomial like this, we can divide through by q0, and we not q0, we divide through by q of n. In fact, usually we would write this the other way around, but it doesn't matter. But we just divide through by q of n, and we can write p as, let's say, x of n plus, this time we'll write it the correct way, q1, which is a different q, I'll put q prime of 1, x of n minus 1 plus up and all the way down up to q of n prime. So this one will match up. So the next one will be q prime of 2x of n minus 2. Okay. Right. So, and we call a polynomial, if a polynomial has this form, we call it a monic polynomial. So in this case, p is monic. If there is a polynomial, so if our value is algebraic, we know there's a monic polynomial. Now we know there's a monic polynomial such that that p of a is 0. We can go a bit further and we can find the smallest such monic polynomial. And what do we mean by the smallest? We mean smallest in terms of the degree. So we can use a degree to kind of order the polynomials. So we want the one with the smallest, and by the least well-ordered principle, by the well-ordering principle, we know that there must be a polynomial of lowest degree for which this is true. Since there is one, there must be one of lowest degree, and we call that, so if a polynomial lowest degree, so this is true, we call it so we call, if so this is a definition, if let's keep it, P is the smallest, so I will underline there for a second, the smallest polynomial, harmonic polynomial in Q, if P is the smallest polynomial in Q such that P of alpha is equal to 0, then we call P the minimal polynomial of alpha. Of alpha. And so this is it for the first in the series of videos on algebraic number theory, in which we will be studying these algebraic numbers and their properties. And in the next video we will be looking at the link between algebraic numbers, theory of algebraic numbers, and linear algebra. So I'll see you next time.